This video is designed for speakers, presenters, or co-presenters who are presenting at the CTE Works Summit. First of all, make sure you are already logged in, and you can tell you're logged in by seeing a little picture of your face here. If you don't have a face, it may have your initials on here. From this screen, go ahead and scroll through and find the name of your session. For example, if you are presenting or co-presenting at the Marketing and Communication for CTE Leaders session, go ahead and click on that session. From there, you're going to look for Speaker Tools. Go ahead and click on Speaker Tools. When you're in Speaker Tools, you can see who is attending your session, and attending your session means those individuals who have added your session to their personalized SCHED schedule. You can hover over and see the names of the people who are attending your session. You can edit your profile. You can add your presentation. Here's where you can add handouts in PDF, Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. You can add more than one file to your session. We will be asking speakers and presenters to add their PowerPoint after the summit. However, if you have that ahead of time, you can go ahead and do that. You can edit your description. If for some reason your description changes, you can go ahead and come here and add that. We will ask you to leave the room host person's name listed there. That is going to be the individual that is going to introduce your session and just help you in the room with any issues you might have. You also have the ability to email the attendees who added your session to their SCHED profile. You can also view feedback. There's no feedback recorded for this session right now. After your session closes and it's over at 10:50, the SCHED app will automatically send those attendees a very short survey, and you can go right here to view feedback to take a look at what they said about your session. Go back to schedule, and that brings you back to the main session of SCHED.